Implementation of AI workforce integration by 2025, for key phases and $3 million budget allocation for upskilling initiatives. Summary. The integration of artificial intelligence AI into the workforce is anticipated to undergo transformative changes by 2025. Organizations across various sectors are gearing up to incorporate AI technologies strategically with a projected budget allocation of $3 million dedicated to upskilling initiatives. This process is structured around 4 key phases, ensuring a systematic approach to AI adoption. Key phases of AI implementation. 1. Strategic alignment and readiness, months 0 to 2. In the initial phase, organizations must secure executive buy-in and form a dedicated AI task force. This involves executive buy-in. Leadership commitment is crucial for the successful integration of AI. This phase requires that executives understand the strategic importance of AI and prioritize its adoption. AI task force formation, a cross-functional team comprising IT, data analytics, and business domain experts should be established to oversee the integration process. Workshops for use case identification. Conduct workshops to brainstorm potential AI projects, prioritizing use cases based on their feasibility and potential impact on business objectives. Data readiness assessment. Evaluating the quality and availability of data is essential. Organizations must identify data gaps and ensure readiness for AI applications. 2. Pilot development and initial deployment, months 3 to 6. Following strategic alignment, organizations move to pilot development, which includes formation of pilot teams. Assemble small squads focused on specific pilot projects. These teams should include data scientists, software engineers, and domain experts. Data preparation and model building. Teams will prepare datasets, clean and integrate data, and develop or adapt AI models to fit the identified use cases. User training. Initial training sessions for users will prepare them for the new AI tools. Limited rollouts of the AI systems will begin in controlled environments. Monitoring metrics. Early performance metrics will be established to evaluate the effectiveness of the pilot projects. 3. Validation and scale readiness, months 6 to 9. This phase focuses on validating pilot results and preparing for scaling successful initiatives. Evaluation against KPIs. Assess the outcomes of pilot projects against established key performance indicators (KPIs). This evaluation will inform decisions on which initiatives to scale. Stakeholder alignment. Engage stakeholders across the organization to ensure alignment and secure necessary approvals for scaling. Governance framework establishment. Organizations must establish governance frameworks to address ethical considerations, data privacy, and compliance as they prepare for broader deployment. For enterprise-wide rollout, months 9 to 12. The final phase involves deploying successful pilots across the organization. Wider integration. Roll out successful AI solutions throughout the organization, ensuring that they are embedded into everyday operations. Comprehensive training. Conduct extensive training sessions for all employees to ensure widespread adoption and usage of AI tools. Continuous monitoring and iteration. Implement systems for ongoing monitoring and refinement of AI models based on user feedback and emerging data trends. Optimization and continuous innovation, months 12 to 18. After the enterprise-wide rollout, organizations will focus on continuous optimization. Measuring ROI. Organizations need to assess the return on investment (ROI) associated with AI implementations and adjust strategies accordingly. Expanding AI capabilities. Explore opportunities to expand AI functionalities to adjacent business processes, allowing for greater efficiency and innovation. Establishing an AI center of excellence. Creating a dedicated center can foster ongoing innovation and best practices across the organization. Common themes in use cases. Strategic importance of AI. Reports indicate that a significant number of CEOs are prioritizing AI strategies, anticipating improvements in productivity and operational efficiency. Companies employing AI in marketing and sales have seen substantial revenue gains. Upskilling initiatives. Organizations are focusing on training and reskilling employees to address hesitancy and skill gaps. This is crucial for ensuring that the workforce is prepared to work alongside AI technologies effectively. Data-driven decision-making. AI applications in various industries have demonstrated measurable impacts such as improved customer retention and increased sales conversions. Future outlook. As organizations transition from pilot projects to full-scale implementations, they will face challenges including data privacy concerns, ethical considerations, and integration with existing workflows. The convergence of AI with emerging technologies is expected to enhance operational efficiencies further. Ultimately, the roadmap for AI workforce integration emphasizes aligning AI initiatives with overarching business goals, fostering a culture of innovation and leveraging data to drive decisions. Organizations that successfully navigate these phases will be poised to capitalize on AI's transformative potential by 2025. Budget allocation for upskilling initiatives. To facilitate this comprehensive AI workforce integration, a budget of $3 million will be allocated to various upskilling initiatives, which will include 1. Training programs, development of tailored training programs that address specific skill gaps in AI applications relevant to different departments. 2. Workshops and seminars, regular workshops to keep employees updated on AI advancements and best practices. 3. Certification courses, funding for employees to attend external courses or obtain certifications in AI-related fields. 4. Resources for learning, providing access to e-learning platforms and materials that enable continuous learning. Conclusion. The integration of AI into the workforce by 2025 presents an immense opportunity for organizations to enhance operational efficiency, drive innovation, and remain competitive. By following the outlined key phases and dedicating resources to upskilling initiatives, businesses can position themselves at the forefront of the AI revolution. With strategic planning, a focus on continuous improvement, and a commitment to workforce development, organizations will harness the full potential of AI technologies, leading to sustainable growth and success. Counterintuitive insights from the implementation of AI workforce integration by 2025. As organizations prepare for the integration of AI into their workforce by 2025, several counterintuitive insights emerge from the plan's outlined phases, common themes and challenges faced. These insights challenge traditional perceptions about AI adoption and its implications for business operations and workforce dynamics. 1. AI as an augmenter, not a replacer. One of the most prevalent myths surrounding AI adoption is the fear that AI will replace human jobs. This perception often leads to resistance among employees who may feel threatened by the potential for automation. However, the integration plan emphasizes a co-pilot model where AI is designed to augment human capabilities rather than replace them. This model highlights the potential for AI to take over repetitive tasks, allowing employees to focus on more strategic, creative, and complex work. Counterintuitive insight. Rather than displacing jobs, AI can enhance job satisfaction and productivity by relieving employees of mundane tasks. Organizations that embrace this perspective are likely to see higher adoption rates of AI tools as employees recognize the technology as a partner rather than a competitor. 2. The importance of data readiness over technology implementation. Organizations often focus heavily on acquiring the latest AI technologies, believing that having the best tools will guarantee success. However, the implementation phases stress the importance of data readiness as a crucial precursor to AI deployment. A data readiness check ensures that the quality and availability of data are sufficient for AI applications. Counterintuitive insight. Investing in data infrastructure and cleansing may yield better ROI than investing solely in advanced AI technologies. Organizations that prioritize data quality and accessibility can maximize the effectiveness of their AI tools, ultimately achieving better outcomes from their AI initiatives. 3. The the need for continuous upskilling and cultural change. AI adoption is frequently viewed as a one-time technical upgrade, but the implementation framework reveals that it is an ongoing cultural transformation. Organizations must focus not only on technical training but also on changing mindsets and fostering a culture of experimentation and innovation. The emphasis on ongoing upskilling initiatives with a budget allocation of $3 million for training highlights this necessity. Counterintuitive insight: successful AI integration requires a shift in organizational culture where experimentation is encouraged and continuous learning is valued. Companies that neglect cultural aspects may find themselves struggling to gain traction with AI technologies despite having the necessary tools. 4. Governance and compliance as enablers rather than barriers. Many organizations perceive governance and compliance as obstacles to rapid AI deployment, fearing that regulatory frameworks will slow down innovation. However, the roadmap emphasizes that establishing a governance framework and ethical guidelines is essential for sustainable AI usage. By addressing ethical considerations and compliance from the outset, organizations can build trust and credibility, which can ultimately facilitate smoother AI integration. Counterintuitive insight: embracing regulatory compliance and ethical AI practices can accelerate adoption rather than hinder it. Organizations that proactively establish governance frameworks may find it easier to implement AI at scale as they mitigate risks and build stakeholder confidence. 5. The value of small wins over grand visions. Organizations often set ambitious AI goals aiming for large-scale transformations that can overwhelm teams and lead to analysis paralysis. However, the implementation phases advocate for starting with small, manageable pilot projects that deliver quick wins. These initial successes can foster enthusiasm and support for broader AI initiatives. Counterintuitive insight: focusing on small, incremental gains can be more effective than pursuing grand visions. Organizations that prioritize quick wins can build momentum and create a compelling narrative around AI's value, which can help secure further investment and support for scaling initiatives. 6. AI adoption as a strategic imperative, not just a technological upgrade. Executives may view AI adoption primarily as a technological advancement. However, the roadmap outlines that AI integration is a strategic imperative that aligns with broader business objectives. Companies that treat AI as a core component of their strategy are more likely to realize substantial benefits, such as improved productivity and enhanced decision-making capabilities. Counterintuitive insight: treating AI as a strategic necessity rather than just a technological enhancement can lead to more profound organizational change and better alignment with business goals. Companies that embed AI into their strategic frameworks are better positioned to leverage its full potential. 7. The role of executive commitment in AI success. While many organizations understand the importance of executive buy-in for successful initiatives, the emphasis on dedicated AI roles and governance frameworks illustrates that active involvement from leadership is critical in AI's scalability. This commitment is not merely about approval but requires ongoing engagement in AI governance and strategic alignment. Counterintuitive insight: executive commitment should extend beyond initial buy-in. It must involve continuous advocacy and active participation in AI initiatives. Organizations that foster strong leadership support in AI governance are more likely to achieve successful implementation and transformation. Conclusion: the implementation of AI workforce integration by 2025 reveals several counterintuitive insights that challenge conventional wisdom about AI adoption. By focusing on augmentation rather than replacement, data readiness over technology, continuous upskilling, governance as an enabler, small wins, strategic alignment, and executive commitment, organizations can navigate the complexities of AI integration more effectively. Embracing these insights will enable businesses to harness AI's transformative potential while fostering a culture of innovation and adaptability. Important content overlooked in the AI Workforce Integration Report. The report on the implementation of AI workforce integration by 2025 outlines a comprehensive strategy for organizations to adopt AI across various functions. While many aspects of the report are likely to be noted by readers, several crucial details and themes might be overlooked. Here's a closer look at these elements and their significance. 1. Cultural and mindset shifts required for AI adoption. One of the most critical yet often overlooked aspects of AI integration is the necessity for a cultural shift within organizations. The report notes that 53% of CEOs cite workforce mindset and skills as barriers to AI adoption. This indicates a significant challenge. Simply deploying AI technology does not guarantee its success. Significance: the success of AI initiatives heavily relies on how well employees embrace these technologies. Resistance can stem from fears of job loss, lack of understanding of AI's benefits, or skepticism about its reliability. Organizations need to actively manage these concerns through transparent communication engagement strategies and training programs. Promoting a culture that regards AI as an augmentative tool rather than a replacement can help mitigate resistance and enhance adoption rates. 2. Data quality and governance challenges. The report emphasizes the importance of data readiness and quality for effective AI implementation. However, the specifics about how data governance impacts AI scalability are critical. Data silos, inaccuracies, and compliance issues can severely hinder AI initiatives. Significance: poor data quality can lead to unreliable AI models, ultimately resulting in misguided decisions. Organizations must invest in robust data governance frameworks to ensure data integrity, accessibility, and compliance with regulations like GDPR. This foundational work is essential for any AI strategy to succeed, as AI systems are only as good as the data they process. 3. The role of an AI Center of Excellence (COE). The establishment of an AI Center of Excellence (COE) is mentioned in the report. However, the importance of such a center in facilitating cross-functional collaboration and providing ongoing support is often underestimated. Significance: a COE can play a pivotal role in standardizing AI practices across departments, fostering innovation and ensuring that best practices are shared organization-wide. It serves as a hub for training, experimentation, and governance, which can significantly enhance the organization's ability to scale AI effectively. Without such a structure, departments may operate in silos, leading to inconsistencies and a lack of synergy in AI initiatives. 4. Continuous innovation and iteration. The report discusses the importance of optimization and continuous innovation after the initial rollout of AI systems. However, the iterative process of learning and refining AI models is often underappreciated. Significance: continuous improvement is crucial for maintaining the relevance and effectiveness of AI applications. Organizations need to adopt agile methodologies that allow them to iterate on AI solutions based on user feedback and changing business needs. This approach not only enhances the performance of AI tools but also keeps the workforce engaged in the evolution of these technologies. 5. Strategic alignment with business goals. While the report outlines phases for AI implementation, the emphasis on aligning AI initiatives with broader business objectives is a subtle yet significant point that may be overlooked. Significance: aligning AI projects with strategic business goals ensures that resources are allocated effectively and that AI initiatives deliver measurable value. This alignment helps in justifying investments in AI and facilitates buy-in from stakeholders across the organization. It moves AI from being a technical exercise to a strategic imperative that drives business success. 6. The importance of upskilling and reskilling. The report mentions a $3 million budget allocation for upskilling initiatives, which is significant but might not fully convey the urgency and depth of this need. Significance: as AI continues to evolve, the skills required to work effectively with these technologies will also change. Organizations must prioritize continuous learning and development to equip their workforce with the necessary skills to leverage AI tools efficiently. This not only enhances employee engagement but also prepares the organization for future technological advancements. Upskilling initiatives should be ongoing and adaptive, tailored to the specific needs of the workforce and the evolving landscape of AI technologies. 7. Ethical considerations and responsible AI use. While the report touches on governance and compliance, the ethical implications of AI deployment often receive insufficient attention. Significance: as AI systems become integral to decision-making processes, ensuring that they operate fairly and transparently is crucial. Organizations must develop ethical guidelines and accountability measures to navigate issues such as bias in AI algorithms and data privacy. This focus on ethical AI use is not only a regulatory requirement but also essential for building trust among customers and employees. 8. Industry-specific applications and variations. The report provides a general framework for AI integration but may not delve deeply into specific industry applications and the unique challenges they face. Significance: different industries have distinct requirements and regulatory environments that affect how AI can be implemented. Tailoring AI strategies to fit the specific context of each industry can lead to more effective solutions and higher ROI. Organizations should consider industry benchmarks and best practices to inform their AI initiatives. Conclusion. In conclusion, while the report provides a robust framework for AI workforce integration by 2025, it is essential to pay attention to the often overlooked aspects such as cultural shifts, data governance, continuous innovation, strategic alignment, and ethical considerations. Addressing these elements can significantly enhance the likelihood of successful AI adoption and ensure that organizations remain competitive in an increasingly AI-driven landscape. Each of these factors contributes not only to the successful deployment of AI solutions but also to the long-term sustainability and effectiveness of AI within organizations. 4 key points for in-depth analysis and discussion on AI workforce integration by 2025. 1. Strategic phases of AI implementation. The integration of AI into the workforce is structured around 4 critical phases: strategic alignment and readiness, pilot development and initial deployment, validation and scale readiness, and enterprise-wide rollout. Each phase outlines specific activities that organizations must undertake to ensure successful AI adoption. For example, the initial phase focuses on securing executive buy-in and assessing data readiness, which are foundational for subsequent phases. This structured approach allows organizations to minimize risks while maximizing the potential for AI to enhance productivity and decision-making capabilities. 2. Upskilling initiatives and budget allocation. A significant aspect of successful AI integration involves a dedicated budget allocation of $3 million for upskilling initiatives. Training and reskilling employees is paramount for overcoming workforce hesitancy and bridging skill gaps. Organizations that invest in tailored training programs not only foster a culture of innovation but also empower their workforce to utilize AI effectively. By ensuring that employees are well-versed in AI technologies, companies can mitigate fears of job displacement and enhance overall adoption rates, leading to more effective utilization of AI in business processes. 3. Data-driven decision-making. The emphasis on data readiness and quality is crucial for the successful deployment of AI solutions. Organizations must ensure that they have robust data management practices in place to support AI applications. The ability to leverage data for predictive analytics can significantly impact business outcomes such as customer retention and sales conversions. Companies like Amazon and Netflix exemplify how effective data-driven strategies can lead to substantial revenue gains. As AI continues to evolve, businesses that prioritize data quality and accessibility will be better positioned to harness AI's full potential. 4. Ethical considerations and governance. As organizations integrate AI into their operations, Ethical considerations surrounding data privacy and algorithmic bias become increasingly important. Establishing governance frameworks is essential for ensuring that AI applications operate within legal and ethical boundaries. Companies must not only comply with regulations but also build trust with stakeholders by implementing transparent AI systems. This governance is particularly vital in sectors like finance and healthcare, where ethical implications can have far-reaching consequences. Organizations that prioritize ethical AI practices will likely enhance their brand reputation and customer loyalty while minimizing risks associated with compliance violations. Summary: the successful integration of AI into the workforce by 2025 will hinge on a strategic phased approach, robust training initiatives, a commitment to data quality, and strong ethical governance. As organizations navigate these complexities, those that prioritize these key areas will be well positioned to leverage AI's transformative potential, driving innovation and competitive advantage in their respective industries. 1. IBM Watson and healthcare transformation. In 2011, IBM introduced Watson, a cognitive computing system designed to analyze vast amounts of unstructured data. Watson gained fame for defeating human champions on the quiz show Jeopardy, but later focused on healthcare. IBM Watson Health aimed to revolutionize patient care by leveraging AI for diagnostics, treatment recommendations, and personalized medicine. Hospitals began utilizing Watson to analyze patient records and medical literature, significantly reducing diagnostic errors and improving treatment outcomes. However, challenges arose, including data privacy concerns and the difficulty of integrating AI into existing healthcare workflows. Despite these hurdles, the initiative showcased AI's potential to enhance healthcare and patient outcomes. 2. General Electric (GE) and the Industrial Internet. In the early 2010s, GE launched its Industrial Internet initiative, focusing on integrating advanced analytics and AI into industrial processes. By embedding sensors in machinery, GE collected data to optimize operations and predict equipment failures. This initiative aimed to create a more efficient manufacturing environment, leading to cost savings and increased productivity. GE's Predix platform utilized machine learning to analyze data from industrial equipment, helping companies reduce maintenance costs and downtime. The initiative highlighted the transformative potential of AI in manufacturing and industrial sectors, showcasing how data-driven insights could lead to significant operational efficiencies. 3. Amazon's AI-driven personalization. Amazon's use of AI for personalized recommendations has been a game-changer in e-commerce. By analyzing customer behavior, purchase history, and browsing patterns, Amazon's recommendation engine generates tailored product suggestions for each user. This AI-driven approach has been credited with driving a substantial portion of Amazon's sales, with estimates suggesting that as much as 35% of total sales can be attributed to these recommendations. The success of this system demonstrates how AI can enhance customer experience, drive sales, and foster customer loyalty, ultimately redefining retail strategies in the digital age. Future outlook: implementation of AI workforce integration by 2025. The integration of artificial intelligence (AI) into the workforce is expected to transform business operations significantly by 2025. Organizations will navigate this transition through a structured, phased approach which encompasses strategic alignment, pilot development, validation, and enterprise-wide rollout. Here is a detailed projection of the future landscape concerning AI workforce integration. 1. Enhanced workforce efficiency and productivity. As companies prioritize AI adoption, a notable increase in workforce efficiency is anticipated. Reports suggest that businesses implementing AI can achieve productivity improvements of 20% to 30%. This is primarily due to AI's ability to automate repetitive tasks, enhance data analysis, and facilitate decision-making processes. By 2025, organizations that effectively leverage AI tools will likely see a marked increase in employee output, leading to overall revenue growth. Predictions: Companies will invest in AI-driven solutions that automate mundane tasks, allowing employees to focus on higher-value work. For instance, sales teams using AI for lead scoring can expect a significant rise in conversion rates as AI provides insights that help prioritize high-potential leads. 2. Upskilling and workforce development. With the integration of AI, there will be a substantial emphasis on upskilling initiatives. A budget allocation of $3 million for reskilling programs will allow businesses to train their workforce in AI-related competencies, fostering an environment of continuous learning and adaptation. Organizations will implement tailored training programs to bridge skill gaps and reduce resistance to AI adoption. Predictions: by 2025, it is expected that over 70% of employees will have participated in AI upskilling initiatives, leading to a more knowledgeable workforce capable of utilizing AI tools effectively. Companies will leverage online courses, workshops, and hands-on training sessions to ensure all employees are equipped to work alongside AI technologies. 3. Evolution of job roles and workforce composition. As AI technologies become more sophisticated, the nature of work will change significantly. Traditional job roles will evolve with a shift toward hybrid models where human intelligence and AI capabilities complement each other. Jobs will increasingly require individuals to work alongside AI systems, using these tools to enhance their productivity and decision-making abilities. Predictions: by 2025, new job categories will emerge such as AI ethics compliance officers, AI trainers, and data curators. Organizations will need to rethink their recruitment strategies, focusing on candidates with both technical skills and the ability to collaborate with AI technologies. 4. Ethical considerations in governance. With the growing integration of AI in the workplace, ethical considerations surrounding AI use will gain prominence. Organizations will need to establish robust governance frameworks to ensure responsible AI deployment. This includes addressing issues such as data privacy, algorithmic bias, and the ethical implications of AI decision-making. Predictions: by 2025, companies that prioritize ethical AI governance will be better positioned to gain public trust and comply with emerging regulations. Organizations will likely adopt transparent AI practices, including explainable AI models that provide insights into how decisions are made. 5. Strategic alignment and business integration. AI initiatives will increasingly align with overarching business strategies. Companies will view AI not as a standalone technology but as an integral part of their operational framework. The strategic alignment of AI adoption with business objectives will enhance decision-making processes and drive competitive advantages. Predictions: by 2025, businesses that effectively integrate AI into their core strategies will outperform competitors, experiencing higher growth rates and improved market share. Companies will leverage AI for predictive analytics, enhancing their ability to respond to market trends and customer preferences. 6. Increased data-driven decision-making. AI's ability to analyze vast datasets will enable organizations to make informed data-driven decisions. By 2025, companies utilizing AI for data analytics will experience significant improvements in operational efficiency and market responsiveness. Predictions: the adoption of AI-driven predictive analytics will allow organizations to anticipate customer behaviors, optimize supply chains, and streamline operations, leading to reduced operational costs and improved service delivery. 7. Continuous innovation and adaptability. The AI landscape is dynamic and organizations must remain agile to adapt to rapid technological advancements. Companies will foster a culture of innovation, encouraging experimentation with AI technologies to identify new opportunities and solutions. Predictions: by 2025, organizations that embrace continuous innovation will be better equipped to pivot in response to market changes, ensuring long-term sustainability and growth. Businesses will invest in R&D initiatives focused on exploring emerging AI technologies and their potential applications. Conclusion: The future of AI workforce integration by 2025 presents a transformative opportunity for organizations to enhance productivity, drive innovation, and foster a culture of continuous learning. As companies navigate this transition, strategic alignment, ethical governance, and a commitment to upskilling will be crucial for realizing the full potential of AI. Organizations that proactively embrace these changes will be well positioned to thrive in an increasingly competitive landscape.